right, so we're gonna do a quick video on how to install the late start racing single DIN large display, touchscreen display adapter that we're selling on the website, and we're putting in Brooke's truck. So we have the bezel out of the Ranger, which should be, I think, 95 and older. We'll have this same bezel. And we have the radio, we have the adapter sleeve that goes in it, and then of course the late start racing adapter itself. So in order to utilize this adapter here, we need to modify the dash bezel just a little bit. So right in the bottom of the opening in the bezel for the factory radio, you can see that we've already made 4 notches here. And those 4 notches correspond to the tabs that are on the adapter itself. And they actually, if you can see that from the side, it's got a notch there, which will actually grab onto the material that exists in the dash already. We just need to clearance the dash for it. So the way that we do that is we flip the dash over, the dash bezel. We take our adapter and we'll slide it into place. We'll slide it into place, and then you're just gonna take, I'm gonna use a pair of cutters because it's the only thing I have right next to me. I could have been better prepared, I guess. And you're gonna make a mark just to the left and to the right of each one of these tabs. And then I think just a regular hand file, you could file these out. You could use a Dremel. You could use a small coping saw or something like that. And you're just gonna relieve the material to flush with the bezel itself. So let's see if I can get a better close-up of this. So you just make the notch flush with the body of the bezel right here. And that way there, that tab can just roll over the edge and grab onto the back side of the bezel. And that will snap it in place. So I can show you. We'll push this in. You hear oh, that sounds good. Nice and positive. That's nice and positive how that snaps together. So right here, that snaps in, and now that's good and strong. So we flip it around, and that doesn't pull out now. That's held completely on its own. You don't have any screws, any glue, or anything like that. And if you want to pop it back out, you just pinch and push it, and it comes out. So now that we have that in place, you have the different adapters for each radio. These are a little bit different each time, and they have all of these little tabs that you can bend out to lock them in place. There are no particular features in this adapter for those. You could make those yourself if you wanted. We're actually just gonna slide our adapter in. If I can push that in, it fits really snugly. It's a good fit, yep, goes in nice and firm. And you could mark, and you could actually add features to go in here to push those tabs into if you really wanted to. We did, like I said, it's not designed into this because these all might be a little different. We're not really sure. But you can customize that part if you'd like. And then, so once that's in here, now we can install our radio, just like that. Now we have a nice, clean looking install. I don't know if you can see that from the side. It looks real good. So that's it. That's all you got to do. I'm like, ta-da! That's how you install the late start racing. 95, I believe, and older. Dash, bezel, radio, single DIN adapter for larger screens for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and stuff, touch screens and stuff. Miscellaneous.